So you bought ATP. I'm going to show you a quick couple of tips about it and what ATP has, and how to enable it. So you're going to have a whole new analytics section. It's going to give you a lot of great reporting and information about your customers, clients, and everything like that. If you need to enable ATP, we just choose a customer. We go into our service settings. Our sandboxing and link isolation options are right here. You want to turn on your first option. It's a sandboxing default policy. This enables ATP and enables sandboxing for all attachment types. These other two options are optional. I would never recommend turning on the allow users to release emails, but you can turn on send delay notifications. Link isolation, we want to enable it, and then we want to turn on the deep link. This turns on URL rewriting, URL protection for reputation base. This enables the actual deep link crawl, so that every time a link is clicked, be it 2 minutes after it was delivered or 2 weeks later when they dig it up to show to a colleague, it will scan that URL to make sure it's safe. Further options below this are within the scope of your business or scope of your customer's business. You may want the URLs to rewrite, you may not. You do have some allow listing and deny listings for your business as usual partners, and you have completely brandable templates if you want to add in your own information, or just use the original default ones is totally fine. Additionally, down in the tools section here, you get remote browser isolation. This lets you, or any admin on an account, use VIPRE's virtual machine network to test URLs and functions. You can go to any website you want, and it'll just load it up and show you where you're going. It'll show you redirects and some logging and information. It's a great tool for your admins to test things and not risk their own laptops, their own desktops, or your own infrastructure, because you're using VIPRE's virtual machine network to do all your testing and all your support. And it doesn't have to be used for things that just pass through the VIPRE email. Any URL can be used and it'll work. It's just a virtual machine sandbox for you to play in and your admins to use to do their jobs day to day. You can pull reports in real time to see who your top targeted, customer users are, who your top users are who click links and do things they shouldn't do. And that can help you to bolster their defenses, bolster their education, what have you. Policy Explorer is for all the different policies that pass through and trigger. I don't have any data in this environment for policies currently, but these charts would fill out, and this is all interactable, so that if you wanted to drill down to a specific user, you could click on them and it would filter out the report to that person specifically. And the same goes for your threat exploration, which is the viruses and attachments, and link click analysis, which is all of your URL rewriting and things like that. It's going to give you full breakdowns of everything, who clicked what went delivered where, and even give you information about what was caught, what was seen, what hashes, and links to VirusTotal if you wanted to run what you saw through VirusTotal to be able to take a screenshot and send to someone who swears to you that it's a safe link. You can show them some information to show them that it's not. Anyway, that was just a quick little snippet about ATP, how to enable it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we'll help you out.